Welcome shots.
Good morning, everyone. It's second day in RP Australia. And I show you how foggy, napaka-foggy sa paligid this morning.
Hindi natin makita yung view. Time check, it's already 7 a.m. in the morning.
Raining clouds.
Cloud, because it's too foggy. Hindi namin makita yung ice dyan, oh. Last night, it was so nice.
We're still in the hotel, waiting na mawala yung fog. So, how you feel that we're in the mountain?
For me, it's regular.
And for
You
me,
feel?
and for me, it feels like we're in the clouds. No, and we're getting bored already because the fog is still outside a lot.
Juice? Okay. I will get juice first then. Tadi mala glasses in here. You can get juice. By the way, if you want to sleep over in this hotel, then go here you go. And the second day adventure begins. Oh, dyan kami pupunta sa tuktok na yan with our new fashion booty. Charot.
Celebration!
Hello guys, pabalik na kami sa car namin, which is summer pa doon. So nag-storm siya ng ice dito sa Alpi, Austria. Look at the surroundings. Oh yan. So we're heading back to our car. Summer na naman ulit doon. Go na ang winter diri. Ganda ng paligid na paligiran ng ice. The place is surrounded by ice. Tingnan ako guys. Look. Kahapon hindi nag-rain ng ice. It's ice storm. Ahoy! Kakahingal pa rin. I'm looking for toilet. I need to pee. Oh, wow, automatic. Toilet balcony din ko. And standing? At natapos din ang aming adventure. So, nagkabe na lang kami. Hindi na kami kasi sliding na kasi nag-snow. Kita nyo, di ba? It's storming. Yun, guys, Ali. No. The fog is still there.
This is our way.
That way we walk there. On the first house.
Du von auf der Medium, sauerlich Nobelafone.
Dinko, how many minutes? The cabin? 2 minutes only. And when we climb there, it's like
One day.
1 day. But it's okay. We're having fun, di ba? Oh. At yun na po lahat ang weekend adventure namin. So, papauwi na kami. Bye! O, diba? And we're heading home. As you can see, summer naman ulit.